Hey, what's going on? My name is Chicago Figueroa. This video, I'm going to show you a few things that you should know if you decide to start with CPA. CPA is cost per acquisition. Basically, the way I'm doing this, I'm signing up for an offer from a network, and then I'm promoting that offer, and then I get paid once the people leave, buy the free trial, put their email or whatever the conversion that is for that offer, you will get paid. This is why I love CPA. I don't have to deal with customer service. I don't have to deal with anyone. Deal with credit cards, none of that stuff. That's why you need to focus on just traffic. If you master traffic, you could make just literally print money every day. Traffic is the key, not only for CPA, it's the key for any business right now. Even if you're in network marketing, you're doing Shopify, you're in a coaching, or you want to sell your service, you want to brand yourself. It doesn't matter what you're doing right now. We all need marketing. So this is why you need to focus on marketing. Traffic equal, plus conversions. It just print money. Um, there are many ways, different ways, a lot of different ways to make money with CPA. In this video, I'm gonna try to focus on just one. I'm gonna cover different ones so you can have an idea and don't get confused when you watch all the videos on YouTube and so on. But this example is one way out of many to make money with CPA. There are ways to you could build a website, you send traffic to that website, you do SEO, and it takes a little bit longer. But in the long run, once you rank your website in Google or Bing and Yahoo and so on to number one or page two, you all set. All the traffic coming in is gonna be free because you already put the work for that to rank that website. There are other ways to promote CPA offers. Some people do Facebook ads. They create an ad with the catchy photo. They send them to a landing page, and then from the landing page to the offer. You have to be careful if you decide to go to and try that one because your Facebook account could get shut down. There is a way to go around that by cloaking and doing some black hat stuff. But there is also a way to learn the right way. And there is a video below this video. There's a link below this video if you're watching this on YouTube. The link's gonna be above on Facebook. That I'll show you. There's a system. There's a challenge to show you step by step how to do all this. But that's another topic. But for now, let's focus on just this video. I tend to go different topics when I start talking about one. For example, so CPA. Like I said, there are many ways to do CPA, make money with CPA, Facebook ads, SEO, posting ads on different websites, and this is how I did it. This offer that I'm showing you right now is an offer for adult. So it's an adult, it's a male enhancement. And this is the ad that I'm running. I'm gonna show you. I did not have to create a landing page. I'm not building my list. Some people say the money's in the list. I disagree. The money is in the traffic plus conversions. For this ad or offer, I'm not collecting emails. I'm just working on my traffic. I copy a landing page that was already created and I downloaded it to my server, my domain, and then once they go to my landing page, they will end up in my offer. And that's how I did it. I did not create a landing page. I just copied one that was working. I got the thumbnail that was already working. So I did my research. And then remember, you need a network. In this example, this is my network. This is where all the offers are. For example, Max Bounty, that's another network. They promote stuff. There's a link below if you want to open a Max Bounty account. Just go there, do the application, and when they ask you about things, about your experience, just say, don't lie that you are making millions, but put a decent number, and you will get approved. If you tell them you're a rookie and you don't know jack shit, they're not gonna take you. But the network, these are different offers. All you have to do is just sign up and then promote that offer. That's the beauty about CPA. That's it. If people buy this, you will make per lead $16 per lead, $80 per lead, $1.50 per lead. This one, the Visa one, I'm sure if they go to the landing page, they submit their email, you will make $1.50 per lead. Sometimes there is a max for these offers. Let's say 100 leads per day, but that's $150 a day. $150 a day times 30 is a good amount of money by the end of the month. So just find a good offer for your budget. Don't go, for example, this about 3D chat community. That's a $80 per lead when people buy or whatever. The reason is always behind this. You just click on it, and it will tell you how you're gonna get paid. But don't go for those big ones because you need a higher budget. Always start with like sweepstakes, just gift cards and stuff like that. Start from the bottom, like $4 payout and so on. Don't go for big ones. Look at these surveys. People love to just do surveys, and you could get paid. Look, another survey offer and so on. Auto finance, all this stuff works. People are like trying to buy a car, a house. There are plenty of different offers, financial offers, surveys, make money from home, and so on. So just pick one, not with a high payout, and go from there. Now, how are you gonna start doing this? You pick an offer. Remember, you need a network, and then you also need a tracker. The tracker that I'm using is called Test Easily. And that's how I optimize my offers. I go every day, I go there, and I see my number, what's working, what is not working. Maybe iPhone is working better than Android. Then guess what? I just take Android off, and then I just keep running traffic to the iPhone. I have 4 banners for my offer. So I take a look at my data, and I say which of the 4 banners are working. So maybe 2 are not working well. I get rid of those 2, and guess what? I bring 2 more. So I keep split testing my funnel and make it better. The way I'm doing this, like I said, I'm running this to an adult site. So basically, it's an adult, porn sites. So this an offer is a male enhancement, but there are different ways. You don't have to do adult. Like I said, you could do this, dating, like dating, offers, financial, and so on. But it's up to you. Um, how you buy traffic? You could just go to, just to give an example, you could go to this website, share through, and you can see you could buy the traffic from there. So that's all you have to do. Just take a look which area you wanna target. In this example, these are native ads. Basically, what they do, I'm gonna try to maximize this. Basically, you buying spots. See this burger right here? It's a sponsored. Maybe you can't read the letters. It says sponsored content. That's your ad. So you go to places like this and you buy the spot, or you buy. They switch depending on CPC or impressions. All depends how that company works. There are many, many, many different ones. Right now, I'm working with Traffic Junkie. There's Traffic Factory, ExoClick, content.net, I think it is. There are many, many, many different ones. Just find one. Remember, find an offer, then find a network, and then start working with them. I'll be right back. Someone is at the door, and I'm back. So find someone, find an offer, then find a network that like Max Bounty or any other catch network, any, and then find that offer, then go buy some traffic from a different network. That's when you run your traffic to. But remember, you need a landing page. There are ways to copy a landing page, and I'm gonna show you this in a different video. But this video, I'm just gonna walk you through the whole process, just simple, giving you how easy this is. You don't have to be that creative, creating landing pages and so on. I'm gonna show you in a different video. I'm gonna show you the step by step how this is done, like copying a landing page. I didn't build not even one landing page. I copied what was working for some another affiliate, and I made it mine. And that's how easy this is. There's like it's super easy to do. I'm gonna create a course about this, and I'm going to show you at least the basic on a different video. But once you buy the traffic, remember you need a tracker. In this example, I'm using Test Easily. So every day I go here and I see what's working, what's not working. Most of the time, I'm gonna be straight up to you. Most of the time, your offer will not be profitable at all. Like the first 2 days, you're gonna see that you're losing money, and that's when most people start freaking out and they start quitting. You have to stick to the offer. You have to keep working on it. That's why the traffic, the tracker is very important. Remember, I was testing 2 different landing pages, 4 banners, and 1 offer. So I see what's working, what is not working. So every day, take a deep breath and see what's working. Leave it. That day, this was not working. Just give it a couple of days. Start getting rid of stuff. Categories that are not working, not performing well, get rid of those. Send more traffic to what's working, and then you will see your campaign start switching to making money, just like I'm doing right here. It's not bad. Like 7 days, 210, which is hasn't been a week yet, but I'm gonna keep working in this, and by the time I keep optimizing, and buying more and more and more traffic, my goal is to make at least 2 or 3K with this offer in 1 month, which is not bad. And guess what? I'm gonna just put all that money back into traffic, and I'm gonna keep doubling my money, and that's my goal doing this, just doubling my money every month. But remember, CPA is not hard. It's not hard at all. You need to be have in mind that you will lose money in the beginning, but then work your way to make the offer even better. And that's how I advise to you. There are different ways to make money. Like I said, with CPA, you could build websites and do SEO, and that takes longer. But in the long run, you will make money because the website will rank. You could just run ads on Facebook. You could run ads on Instagram. You could run ads on even a Snapchat. Nobody's talking about this. The way I do it different. I sign up for an offer from a network like Max Bounty. Don't forget to get your free account below. And then I look for the offers, see what's working, what is not working. I grab that offer, I copy a landing page. I look for a landing page that was working for a different person running or already running traffic. I see how much traffic they're getting. I copy that landing page. I make it my own. I upload it to my domain, and then I run traffic, buying traffic from people from websites like this one. And then remember, just let it go, let it run for whatever budget you have. You could start low for lead generation, but remember, mail enhancement and offers like 40, 50, $60 per lead. You need a good amount of budget, at least 1K, 2K, all depends. And that's how easy CPA offer is. If you want to learn more about traffic, how to do affiliate marketing and all that stuff, there's gonna be a link. It's called a challenge, in which um, I'm going to teach you how to just take care of traffic. And like I said in the beginning of the video, it doesn't matter what you're doing, e-commerce, CPA, business owner, if you're coaching, if you run whatever, if you don't learn these skills that I'm just talking to you and showing you right now, this is all about traffic and conversions. If you don't know how to do this, landing pages, downloading them, and you don't understand the basics of traffic, you're not gonna get far in this life. And then you're gonna be like paying people to do all this stuff for you. Um, so go to the link below. It's called the challenge. Sign up and learn all this stuff. Plus, I'll be working with you anyway. If you once you sign up for that course, I think it's only $1. Um, just then hit me up. Like I said, let me know. Drop a comment below. See what other videos would you like to know as long as about traffic, CPA, e-commerce, that's me. That's what I love to do. So have a blessed day on purpose, and see you until the next video. My name is Chicago Figueroa. Take care.